So hello everyone, my name is Sachin Prakash Kumawat and again welcome to our YouTube channel, that is Decode the Code. So let me start our video without wasting of any time. So in today's video I will gonna perform a project that is based on the analysis part 1, data analysis part 1, and I will analyze the COVID-19 data till the date of the 25th of March, and I have taken the data from the websites of WHO's and Kaggle websites. You can also import the data, or otherwise you can also access the data from my GitHub account or GitHub repository, and you can also access the full code which I have written, which I wrote in my Google Colabs. You can also access that data or the code easily. So let me start our video without wasting of any time, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel and share the channel. Okay, so let me start our video without wasting of any time. So first of all, we all required to import the required libraries. So there are the few most required libraries which are used in this project, that namely are pandas, matplotlib, Shibon, plotly and folium. And as you know, pandas was used to read the Excel files easily, and it is one of the best library which is used to read the data according to me. Okay, and the folium is used to represent the data in the form of the map or on the map. Okay, so these are some required library which we have imported. And so let me start our analysis part. So first of all, we will analyze the present condition of India in this pandemic situation. So we read the data by using pandas df equals to pad.read excels, that coronavirus cases in India, COVID cases in India, Excel files. Okay, and we will read the data. So we have got the total confirmed cases in India, total confirmed cases foreigner national and Indian nationals, and cured that. These are the data which is present in COVID cases in India, which I have taken. This data I have taken from the WHO websites or on the websites of Kaggle. Okay, you can also access that data from there. So this is how we have read this analysis part. Means we have read this data, and from now onwards we will analyze the data. So these are the we also compare this our country India from around the world, the states which country which are present in our around the world, how many cases are being found in India as compared to South Korea, Italy, Wuhan, and many of other states. Okay, so this is how you can read the XLS files, and this can so to highlighting the data. So mainly we have for to understand in this table, you can't understand that in which state there was the most foreign nationals are being found, and in which state there was Indian nationals are being found. So for that we will highlighting the data by using def.style.background underscore gradients. Okay, you can also use the different colors if you are not want this red color, so you can also use blue color or many other colors you want. Okay, so this is very easy to predict to analyze the data as compared to data which we have analyzed over here, which we have read over here. This is the better format of reading the data. Okay, and here we will read that the total number of active cases which we have found from the 30th January 2020 and till the date of 25th of March 2020. Okay, so there are the total 512 cases which are present in India till 25th. Total number of active COVID-19 2019 cases across India means till the date of 25th of March 2020, there are the 512 persons who have coronavirus positive, means they are confirmed cases are being found, total confirmed cases are being found in India, that is 1512. Okay, and these are the most highlighted area, and they come under the red zones. So Kerala found 10 in Kerala, there are the 105 confirmed cases are being found. In Maharashtra there are the 99 cases are being found. So from top to bottom they're decreasing orders in Chandigarh, Pondicherry, Mizoram, Manipur. These are some states which have only one cases till the date of 25th of March 2020. Okay, or by using map to show the more number of cases in the areas, means we are using here a folio libraries and to show the more number of cases in that area, in that regions where the cases are being found, okay, in India. So this is how the folium library is being used. It imports the map. It import the map and highlight the area according to the data given to him, and he puts the zones where are the more people are being found, or more confirmed cases are being found over there. Okay, so this is how the folio is used. And using Seaborn for visualization means Seaborn, we are using Seaborn over here for to visualize the confirmed versus recovered cases. Means here we are using the Seaborn library, which is used to define that how many confirmed cases is being how many recovered patients are how many persons are cured from the COVID-19 and how many persons are not cured till now, and on the scale. Okay, so this in Kerala there are the I think so that are the 5% of the public, 5% of the COVID-19 patients are being cured and 95% are not cured yet. Okay, so these are the green indicate the cured patients, and red orange pink indicates the total number of cases are being present that are not cured till the date. Okay, so rising of coronavirus. So we will analyze the trend of coronavirus cases in India. Cumulative cases means that how the trends was going day by day in India. Means from January 30, 2020 there was the one case, and till 25th of March 2020 there are the 562 patients are being confirmed cases are being found in India. So this represents that the trends goes increasing. It's gradually increasing or rapidly increasing the confirmed cases of COVID-19 in India. And coronavirus cases in India daily basis, means the daily basis reports are being over here. So March 23, 2020 there are the new 103 confirmed cases are being found in India in one day. So this is how the coronavirus is rapidly increasing. So cases in India, South Korea, Italy, Wuhan. I have shared that earlier that we are comparing our India country to other countries, how the India is controlling the COVID-19 as compared to other states, as compared to other states. So first of all we will analyze that confirmed cases in India. There are total cases till the March of 25th of 2020. There are the total cases being found are 562. Okay, and in Italy till the March of 2020 there are the 69,172 cases, 76 cases are being found. Okay, so you can compare that how India and where are the others, and where are the other countries are being facing the problems. And in South Korea till the March of 2020 total cases are being found. 9,037 total cases are being found over there. Okay, so this is, and in one on 24th of March there are the 67,801 cases are being found over there on 24th March 2020. So this represents that we have did something which protects us, and we are definitely, and we are sure about our country, our people which are present over there here. And here we are creating some subplots which represents, which compare the total cases, confirmed cases in India, South Korea, Italy, so cumulatively. Okay, means this graph indicates if the red in India, there are the only red race only we will get. So in this 25th of March there are the 562 cases are being found, and in Italy there are the high percentage of confirmed cases are being found over there. There are 69, means approximately 70,000 cases are being found over there. Okay, so so here we compare our India to other states, and graph trend after crossing 100 cases, means how was the going, is decreasing or is increasing. These are the trends after the 100 cases in that state. Okay, so in India there was a slant, the straight line, not increasing yet, and South Korea is also slightly slower than the Italy one. So Italy is gradually or rapidly increasing in the cases of confirmed cases of COVID-19. Okay, and exploring worldwide data of coronavirus, means we are exploring the worldwide data of coronavirus, means in which country how many people are being confirmed found as a confirmed COVID-19 patients. How many in Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Andorra, Angola. So these are some countries where the coronavirus cases are being found. So for that, so these are the states, means prominence. Australia capital, means in Australia there are the confirmed cases in 000. Okay, head one, it has sold the head. Check for India's data. Means on 2022 there are the 0 cases in Australia, still means in all the states. Okay, and in India on 19.3 there are the 194 cases. That 415 means these are the number of recovered and the death of the patients of COVID-19. So so now visualizing worldwide data of negative COVID-19 cases. Okay, so these are the some confirmed cases that recovered worldwide data. Okay, so there are the confirmed cases, means worldwide there are the 3,36,000 cases are found as in confirmed COVID-19 coronavirus. Okay, and there are the how many deaths are being till dates. There are approximately 15,000 are dead till the date of 23 March of 2020, and how many have cured? Approximately 99,000 patients are cured from COVID-19 till the date of 23 March of 2020. Okay, so forecasting total number of cases worldwidely. For forecasting the total number of cases worldwidely, we are using the FB Prophet. It is an it is used to implement a procedure for forecasting time series data based on an additive model. Okay, so this is how it is used to read the data, and here is confirm cases. These are the confirm cases, how the increase and it definitely increasing order. We are seeing the trends of the graph, how that. So this is the end of our project. So this way we have written our project, and I think so you would understood the complexity behind